Hello friends, today we are going to talk on a very important aspect of SSB interview. I always keep saying that you must follow 3H when you go for your SSB. The first is speak from your heart. Do not have any prepared answers. Do not go with preconceived ideas. Do not try to give something which you are not. Always speak from your heart. Second is be honest. Give sincere and genuine answer. Never try to lie about anything. Do not try to hide things. So, second is speak honestly. And third is be humble. Accept what you are, whatever you have done. You cannot change most of the things which you have already done, right? Be humble about yourself. Be humble when you talk about yourself. Today I am going to tell you a story which is very relevant. There was a company owned by an old man. At one given point of time, the old man decides that he wants to retire from the company, but he does not have any children. So he has about 30 employees. He calls all the employees in a conference room and tells them, see, I am going to hand over my company to one of you. And he gives each one of them one seed. एक बीज देता है वो हर इंसान, हर कैंडिडेट को और every employee. And he tells them that after 6 months we will again meet here, and whoever has taken care of the seed properly will be given the charge of my company. So everybody takes that seed and goes back. So people buy different sizes of pot with lot of mud, fertilizers, whatnot. There is a boy named Hari also. So he also goes to the market, buys a beautiful pot, puts mud in it, puts this seed, and after 1 week, they all check their pots. Few of them have got small plants coming out of seed. Few of them have a slightly bigger plant. When Hari looks into his pot, there is nothing. So Hari starts doing research. Everybody is doing research on how to grow better plant. People get fertilizers. Hari also gets fertilizers. He puts into the pot, puts water, takes care, puts it in proper sunshade and sunlight as required. After a month, when everybody sees, most of them have big plants. And poor Hari, there is nothing in his plant. People laugh at him. See, look at Hari. He has not grown even a plant. Hari is also afraid now what to do. He starts doing more research, goes to agriculture university, checks with them what should I do. They give him tips and all. So everybody comes and they start doing what not. And after 6 months, the boss calls everybody back in the conference hall. So everyone gets their own pot and brings it and places them at various places. Hari also gets his pot. Most of them have big plants. Few people have flowers coming from it. Few people have various big beautiful leaves. But Hari, nothing. Now what Hari is really afraid. He says, okay, company nahi to nahi, at least mera job nahi jana chahiye. I should not lose my job. So now the boss is coming. So everybody is standing in front. Person with the largest plant, he is standing in front. Very happy that okay, my plant here has given such a big plant and tree. Hari is standing in a corner of the room, hiding, trying to hide from, and his pot is also behind. So the boss walks in and he sees everybody. He says, good, very nice. And he goes on the other side of the conference hall. And then he looks here and there. Then he sees one person hiding behind. He says, who is that hiding? So slowly Hari comes out. Sir, it is me, Hari. I said, why are you hiding? No, sir, like that only. Where is your pot? So Hari takes out his pot and brings it forward. Everybody is laughing. See. And boss says, what is this? Sir, I took all care possible, but nothing grew. Okay, anybody else who has no plant? Everybody says, no sir, we have plant, we have big plant, see sir, flowers also. Then he says, okay, I have made my decision. Today I am going to give my company to Hari. Everybody is stunned. The person with the biggest plant, he comes forward running, says, boss, what are you doing? I have taken so good care and this. Then the boss says, see, when I gave you the seeds, these were boiled seeds. ये उबले हुए बीज थे और उबले हुए बीज से पेड़ नहीं उगते. Being honest and sincere, it is not that Hari has not taken care of the seed. He has taken as much care as anybody else. But बाकी सब लोगों ने पौधे उगा दिए हैं. We do the same thing. We create paudhas of nothing, which is not at all required during the SSB. Be honest, be sincere. Whatever it is, whatever you have done, talk about that. Every person on this earth has strengths as well as weaknesses. Talk about both of them. If you have strength, talk about those strengths. If you have weaknesses, talk about how you are trying to overcome those weaknesses. We must try to be Hari. We must always remember the 3H. Speak from the heart, be honest, and be humble. Keep watching various videos by us. Click the I link where you will go to our previous videos. Also, to work with me to learn more about things of SSB, do attend AFO SOP privilege batch where I would be taking personal interview sessions as well as individual interview. Keep watching various videos by Lieutenant Colonel Ganesh Babu, where he has put tremendous videos on his AFO SOP channels where we can really assess where we are and what we should be. Do watch and take care. Jai Hind.